Hello, I am Nick here watching Nick's Scam Advisor. Today we are talking about B3ONL.com. Know if it's scam or legit. You should know about it. B3ONL.com. Stay connected with this video to know this. What is B3ONL.com? We saw B3ONL.com is created just 3 days back on the 23rd April of 2021. Will be registered on B3ONL store legit. The store delivers 4 kinds of item clothing, GPS, watches, training and mobility and other accessories. The store gives free standard shipping to all the customers around. The store does not explain much regarding itself on the About Us page. They have briefly presented themselves there. Furthermore, the store gives free delivery on all the orders and money a return policy to all B3ONL store customers. You can also see that the B3ONL store do carry other accessories such as explosive machine, wireless, Xerox machine, pound water table, toy for coins and window etc. Pros of the website. The B3ONL store supplies all types of clothing and footwear for men's and women's along with the other essential electronic products. First, the web store stays free shipping on every product. Second, the B3ONL gives customers 30 days money back guarantee. Cons of the website. First, the B3ONL is only 3 days young web store on the e-commerce site. Second, the store has indicated information displayed on the section of About Us page. Third, the store has no section of social networking websites such as Facebook and Instagram page. Fourth, the return and exchange policy page of the B3ONL.com is not so. Fifth, the store physical location is unavailable. Sixth and last, the cancellation policy of the store is unknown in detail section. What are B3ONL store reviews? The B3ONL.com is a newly born web store that is created just 3 days back. The store lacks many of the details and information regarding its policies too. Being very new in the market, the customers have not reviewed yet about it. Furthermore, the preference of social media pages of B3ONL is about not seen anywhere. So we can say being very new in the online market, the store is missing customer response and popularity among buyers. Do comment your thought about this website in this product. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.